Okay, today I'm going to give you my honest review on the Tria 4X hair removal laser 2nd gen. Now I'm going to tell you exactly how I use it, the honest results that I have got, and I'm really pleased to say that I have actually got some amazing results in just 3 sessions. So let's get into it. I want to tell you how to use it and how you can start removing hair really safely, really naturally, and in the comfort of your own home. So I was gifted this by Tria. I was actually gifted their older version a few years ago. Now I didn't actually use it, and the reason I didn't use it is because I was going to a salon and I was getting IPL, so for hair removal underneath my arms and for my bikini line area. So I thought, well, I can't really do both together. Now I had about 10 or 11 of those IPL sessions and it cost me a lot of money. So just to give you an idea of how much money that cost, it cost me double what it cost to buy one of these. And the sad news about those salon treatments is it didn't work for me. They assured me that many people it works for, but for me it didn't actually work. So when I got sent this by Tria, I thought this is probably not going to work for me either. Oh my goodness, I have done just 3 sessions. Now, I've been working just under my arm area, so just in this area here, because I wanted to just pick one area and see how my skin responded to it. Now, let me tell you what I've been doing and how it's worked. So what I do is shave underneath my arms at first. So just like I would do every other day, that's how often I would usually shave under my arms, which shows you how much I want to stop doing that and actually remove it with the laser hair removal device. So I shave under my arms and then I am putting on the soothing gel. Then I'm using the laser, I turn it on, I put it on my hand to get it going, and I've been turning it up to the highest setting on here. And then I am simply working underneath my arms. It's literally taking about a minute per underarm. And then I simply put the soothing gel back on again and I'm done. So I did that twice last week and I've done it once this week. And I have had 0 hair growth. Now, obviously it's early days, I do know that, and really you should be looking at doing about 6 of those sessions to see real results. But I would estimate, which is very much in line with what Tria say, that 75% of the hair underneath my arms is already gone. Now, you know I don't work with many brands and I only work with brands that I know, like, love, and I know work as well. And when Tria asked me to do this, I said, let me try it, and then if I like it, I'll do the video. And absolutely, I have done the video immediately because I can't wait to tell you about the results that I've got. So let's get into how it works now, because I want you to understand a little bit of the science behind it. So this new Tria 4X is the only FDA cleared laser for permanent at-home hair reduction. So it's now safer and stronger than ever with updated technology throughout, and it has a thicker, stronger shell. So this improves the thermal performance and housing the technology more securely. Plus this new device is more ergonomic and features rubberized grip handle and LCD display for improved handling. You also get free shipping and a 1-year warranty. So Tria recommend, as I mentioned earlier, about 6 to 8 treatments in order to see more permanent removal. But doing just a couple can make a massive difference. I want to show you some of the results people have had. So let me put a few of those before and after pictures up on the screen for you. The Tria hair removal laser is suitable for most skin tones and for most hair colors, but not all. So I'm going to put the color charts up on screen for you, and there's also some of this in the user manual for more information. But the precision diode laser technology targets the melanin, which is a pigment in your hair, which is also present in darker skin tones. So you're probably wondering, does this actually hurt? And it does hurt a little bit, to be honest with you. But I would say it's very comfortable. You can see as I'm doing it here, my face is relaxed and I'm smiling. So it's not horrible pain. It's just like a little sting each time. What I like about it is it makes a little beep each time the laser's actually worked, and it also makes a little sound if the laser hasn't worked, so you know to do that bit again. It's also got this really good fan on the back, so when it starts to get too hot it actually cools itself down. So actually there is a reason why I have seen better results in just 3 sessions of just a few minutes of this versus going to a salon 11 times and actually spending a huge amount of money. So it delivers up to 233% more power than IPL. And it actually has this precision laser hair removal technology, and it's got a single targeted wavelength of 810 nm, which is the perfect wavelength to target and permanently disable hair follicles. So the battery lasts about 30 minutes, so you need to charge it up after you've done that. But really, when you're only doing a couple of minutes on each area, 30 minutes is going to last you a long time. So it's not like you need to keep charging this up. So let me talk about what areas you can actually use this on. So legs are fantastic. I cannot wait to do my legs. I am also, of course, doing underneath my arms. You can do the bikini line area, but obviously you can't go close to the genital area. You can also do this area of the arms if you want to. And on some skin types, you can actually do upper lip hair as well. You can't use it on eyebrows, and also it shouldn't be used on teenage skin. It also can't be used on thick facial hair. So for example, for a man that's got a thick beard or a lot of stubble in this area. Now, I actually said to you that I had the old version, which I never used, but even just looking at this one compared with the old version, everything about it, the ergonomic design, how robust it is, I can see how much improved it is as well. Plus, all the clinical studies they've done have shown how much better this one is compared with the old version. And actually, I've heard really good things about the old version as well, but it's really good to know that this one is that second generation and even more improved. So really, if you're working one area of the body, and that's what I would recommend you do to start with, like I have, do it about twice a week. And you also just need to be careful afterwards and before. So you don't want to be putting fake tan before and after on that area. You don't want to be going in extreme heat, saunas, anything like that for sort of 24 to 48 hours afterwards. You also want to make sure you're not getting a lot of sun exposure on that area. So I might actually wait and do my legs as we come into the autumn, because of course here in the UK we're coming into summer now, but I can't wait to do that because I think, oh my goodness, if I just do that 3, 4, maybe even 5 times, then I don't have to shave my legs, which will be a game changer for me. Now, of course, you will occasionally need to just do a little top up now and again. Now, for some people, it might be completely permanent, and other people, occasionally they may need to top up. Everyone is so different, but either way, I mean, what a good investment getting this, and you can remove as much hair from your body pretty much permanently as you would like. So I honestly can't wait to share this with people now. I cannot wait to tell people how good it is to deal with a solution that so many women I know in particular deal with, which is having to either shave really regularly or go for very regular salon treatments for waxing. And of course, not only does this take a lot of time, it takes a lot of money, but it can be quite uncomfortable as well, particularly if you are doing a lot of waxing. Whereas this, yes, it's a bit uncomfortable when you do it, but you're only doing it a few times and then you are done. So make sure you use my discount code when you get this. There's also free shipping and a 1-year warranty. I cannot wait to use it a few more times, and I'm so excited for you guys to use it as well.